Here is some guidance on how to use the Motivational Idea Worksheet. At the top of the page, simply list the title of the project that you're going to use for your motivational design project, at least the one you're currently envisioning. Then audience refers to a few words describing the audience for the instructional materials that you will be enhancing. Other helpful information you can leave blank for now. Over here, under the problem, you would simply describe what kind of motivational problem that this idea applies to. For the relevance paper, it should be some kind of a relevance problem that you anticipate with your audience. For example, if you're teaching them about delayed gratification in the context of reinforcement theory, you're going to perhaps describe the problem here as one that your audience does not see the relevance of having to learn these conceptual ideas about delayed gratification. All right, then you go down to the body of the worksheet. The left-hand margin, you check those subcategories that your motivational idea applies to. In this case, it would be one or more of the relevance categories. If it applies to one of the other categories also, then you can check it. For example, if it applies to one of the attention categories or confidence categories. But the primary focus will be on relevance. Then under tactic description, you simply describe the idea that you have in mind. Now, it should be very concrete. For example, you could say, provide an anecdote that describes the importance of delayed gratification and illustrates its operation among young people. But that's too general. You want to get more specific. You could say something like we saw in class the other day. You could say, use a YouTube video that illustrates the challenges to young children in having to delay gratification when faced with a choice between immediately eating a marshmallow or waiting and having 2 marshmallows later. That's basically it.